So hello everyone, my name is Reena Bhatt and I am a human resource professional with more than 8 years of experience into HR. So if you are a fresher and if you're looking for to develop your career in HR, so you are in a right place. So in this channel I will discuss each and every all about HR stuff, what HR department really is, what are the different functions in HR, how can you develop your career in HR, and how to choose a right HR function for your career. First, let's start with what HR department really means. So, HR department takes care of entire employee life cycle. That means from hiring to retiring, like from recruitment to training and development to taking care of payroll, compliances, exit formalities, and so on. So anyone who joins a company, so starting from hiring to retiring, all the employee related activities is handled by HR department. Then, as we have understood what HR department is, let us now talk about what are the different functions in HR and what are the skill set required in each function if you want to choose the right function according to your skill set. First is recruitment. So in recruitment, you require a good communication skill, good to very good communication skill, and you should be a people person wherein you should like to talk to people, help them to find a job, and equally coordinate with managers, superiors, and shareholders to understand their requirement. So communication is required in recruitment, and then also lots of patience, because at times you don't get right candidate for the right. You're someone who likes to talk to people, and this function requires lots of coordination and patience. So if you are someone who likes talking to people and understand their needs, criteria, and accordingly match their criteria with the requirements and share the right profile for the right role, you can choose recruitment as your profile. And it is very challenging job, because at times you don't get what is the what is required. So that's about recruitment. So training and development requires lots of creativity and understanding of the profile. So choosing right training for right set of employees is very important, and also having tough communication to an employee during their performance review, because at times not everyone is a performer, or at times you need to also manage or bridge the gap between manager and employee. So decision making, coordination, and also being very creative. So the next function is payroll department. So if you are someone who is good in numbers and good in calculation, then you can choose your career in payroll. Payroll also comes with compliances, statutory compliances. So you should have knowledge of basic compliance. You should be up to date with latest laws and compliances, because similarly you need to convey it to your employees. And there are also yearly, half yearly audits in HR. So you need to ensure that you're following each and every employment related compliance. In payroll or other departments, there are also multiple HR related portal which company use. So there are different portal in India, and according to the size of the company, we can choose right portal for our employees. And this portal includes everything like leave and attendance management, payroll management, recruitment, onboarding, offboarding, and so on. So usually payroll is calculated on the system. So as per, like, each system is somewhat similar to one another. So if you're someone who's really interested in payroll, you should learn these portal and how the salaries gets calculated on these portals. So that it's a bonus step. So if you are someone who doesn't know which function you need to develop your career in, I would recommend that you first join as an intern and learn learn all the functions, right from recruitment to payroll, compliance and everything. And after getting into that profile, then only you will come to know what is the best fit for you. So my recommendation is you first join as an intern in a company, understand the payroll, understand the HR department in full, and then decide the right function for you. Because at times you might think you're good in recruitment, you might like recruitment, but then you end up not liking recruitment. So yeah, happens is you complete your masters of 2 years in HR, and then once you get once you get placed in some company in HR role, you don't like it. So it's better to, instead of wasting 2 years in masters, you should know what you really want, like where you want to make your career, and then complete your masters in that particular department for that particular role. So yeah, I mean, even I did the same thing. I first, after my graduation, I joined and I worked as an HR, and then when I felt that yeah, this is a right career for me and I enjoy it, then I completed my masters. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please be easy on me because it's my first video.